In this video I am going to show you how you can transfer some amount from one budget to the another. So let's do it. First of all, go to the accounting and budget menu. So I have two budgets here, budget A and budget B. Into the budget A, into the administrative account, I have 17,000 into the plan amount, and into the budget B I have 73,000 into the plan amount. So I will transfer some amount from budget A to budget B. So let's do it. Click on budget transfer menu. Now in this window I will select budget A into from budget and budget B into the to budget. Now into the line I will select administrative account, same from the budget B. So I will transfer some amount from administrative account of budget A to the administrative account of budget B. Into the A you can see amount is 17,000 plan amount, and into the budget B there is 73,000 into the plan amount. Now I will transfer 10,000 and I will write some notes. Click on transfer. So now task is done. Let's check the effect. Into the budget B you can see here amount is now 83,000, and into the budget A amount is only 7,000. So 10,000 is successfully transferred from budget A to budget B. Now if you want to track history of this transfer, then you can go to the budget transfer history menu. So here you can see that 10,000 is successfully transferred from budget A to budget B on this date, and there is various kind of filters. So whenever you make any transfer, you can always track transfer history from budget transfer history menu. So this is all about how you can transfer amount from one budget to another budget in Odoo. If you want more videos, then stay connected.